Hey friends, today I'm going to go through the process that I go through every January to update our 72-hour kits. Being prepared is so important, and this is an easy way to start. This is my process. I go through our bags and I pull out anything that is food related or water related. I still have water bottles to pull out because our water needs to be changed this time. But I pull out all the food and then I go through it, find what needs to be replaced because it's expired. This bag belongs to our boys, and since they are growing older, I am going to have to find more food to put into their bag this year. After I've gone through everything and I've replaced the food, my husband and I will then go through and see if there's anything that we want to add to our kits this year. Something we're also going to do this year is add some emergency preparedness kits for our cars. Now go update or start making your own 72-hour kits. Thanks for watching and happy preparing!